Hello everybody, this is MoonEcho752 here, and if you'll look, you'll notice some major changes. So I have sorry, excuse me, or bless, or, okay, that was, I'm sorry, I can't English anymore, I guess. I made a mine, and I found coal and iron, so I'm good and set. So, and I've built a little bit of my house. It's gonna look really awkward, but oh well. Eventually it'll look really cool. So, two. Kidding me, I need one more. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that was laggy. Yes. Even got some extra. Okay, so soon my house won't look so awkward, disproportional. I'll have a pillar or something. I don't know. But this tree is how I get up to my house. And this is gonna be my favorite house ever. The one thing I don't like is this awkward thing here. Yeah. But anyways, soon it won't be like that, so I won't have to worry. I'll fix it soon. But yeah. I have a house. It's awesome. I need more wood. Wow. Came up here for nothing. So, I need more wood. Oh, so yeah, but anyways, trapdoor. Oh, whatever, who cares? Nobody cares. Okay, so I made some tools and mined and stuff and all that, so it's, awesome now, but, so, so I've been working on my house off camera. I don't know what to say now. Anyways. Wood. Okay. So what I'm trying to build is this cool, tree house that goes from, tree to tree. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about, the sizing and all that, but it'll work. And I really don't know what I'm going to do about that. That's just, I don't know how to fix that, but oh well. I want to put a block there, but then if I put a block there, I won't be able to jump up onto the space. So I'd have to raise it one higher, and then it'll be the whole thing all over again, and it'd be like... So there, I've made my bed. Allie, we didn't need to know that if you heard her. Okay. Allie? Okay, whatever. So that was... Sorry if you heard that, but she needs to pee. She needs to take a potty break. Anyways, she was watching the video last episode, and it was like... Speaking of that, I don't even know what to call this. I don't know. Housecraft. That would be hilarious. So this is just gonna be, this has to be a lot smaller because it's supposed to fit on one treetop. Except a little weird. No! Must have blocks of wood. Anyways, so I need to adjust this a little bit so that it's balancing on one treetop, but yet it's yeah. Probably the main part of the house is just gonna be kind of randomly on the tree, and it'd be really weird. Because I don't really know how to balance this out. have the house, like, around it, too. So, like, it goes, like, oops. Like, take this wall down. Have it loop around a little bit. And then, like, this will go... Can you move? Okay, this will go, like... Oh, no, I want on the floor. Okay, this will go, like, around like this. And then, like, does the same thing on this side. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Because I don't really know what to do. No, I don't like this. It doesn't look right. Just bear with me, guys. There's going to be a lot of breaking and fixing and stuff. Because this is like... Oh dear. Wait, that could have stayed. Oh well. Okay, let's get those bits of wood. Geronimo! Ouch, that took a lot of hearts. Anyways, let's get all this wood. There's the... Okay, I think I got it all. Oh gosh, I thought I heard a creeper, but it wasn't a creeper. It was just... there. Man, I want to sleep, but Allie's not sleeping because she's off camera. Oops. She's off tablet or whatever. And it's coming night. Oh well. But anyways. Okay. But, so, this is gonna be a very temporary setup, like what I have set up in here. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to sleep. Oh well. Oh, that was weird. So, I'm actually gonna end the episode now. This is a very boring episode, but oh well. So, pretty much this is what I've got so far. And I'll probably do a lot of work off camera because you don't want to see me just build all day. Like, that's just boring. And if you like watching me build, then I can actually start a series where it's just like, I don't know, like speed building or even not speed building. It'd be really hard to do speed building. I'd have to get an editor to speed it up, and I don't know how to do that because I don't know how to speed it up. And I'll have to ask my friend, how she speeds it up. So, like, Zamarola, if you're watching this, how do you speed it up? Because I don't know how to speed it up on the Samsung. Like, do you have to do it in editing? And if so, like, what do you use to edit to, like, speed it up? Or is there a time lapse? Because, I mean, I wouldn't be able to speed up speed building in Minecraft if it's time lapse, but if it's in editing, let me know what you use to edit, because I really want to know how to speed it up. And for all of you watching that are not Zamarola, this is directed to Zamarola, so just ignore what I was saying there. And oh my gosh, it's raining. So yeah. Just, Zam, let me know how to speed it up. Thank you. Woohoo. Anyways, so, yeah. Oh, and Zam, I'll show you how to download the music next time you come over. I didn't get to today because, I was doing homework. But anyways, so, yeah. Gonna put the wool out. Oh, because I'm crouching. You can't open a chest when you're crouching. What? Oh, okay. Good. Oops. Torch up the place. It's dark in here. And when there's a wall there, I'll put the torch there, but... Okay. Whoops. Okay. So, goodbye everybody, and see you in the next episode.